Now, moving forward, we are going to invite Dhruvil.
Hello guys, yesterday me and my family sat in hall and we watched TV, and suddenly TV showed a scene from Imagica theme park. So it was very beautiful and I liked it. So I told my father, let's go there, and my father said yes. So I called suddenly my friends and gave this information, and asked take luck for their luggage, and my mother start also preparing for this, but something were missing. So me and my mother went DMart next day and bought some clothes, some snacks, and many other things for trip. So my father also booked a small bus for 15 to 20 passenger capacities, and he arranged 5 days trip. Uh, First of all friends meet my home, and we were very bored because bus time was 11 o'clock and bus arrived at something 12 o'clock. Bus arrived and we got up bus, and we arranged our luggage by ourselves, and we sat on our seats. Then after bus started moving on road, and we enjoyed it, and then after my father told driver to play 1919 songs. So driver played 1919 songs, and we did dance on it, and we were very tired in night, so we were slept in bus relaxedly, and we arrived in hotel early morning for fresh of all, and we took bath and wash our face and change our clothes, and we took a tasty breakfast for there, and our next stop was Saputara. So we arrived at Saputara in early morning, and we enjoyed horse riding and also camel riding, and we drive first of car their place. So it's amazing moment for me, and we also enjoyed many activities, and in the evening we also enjoyed parachute riding and also saw many natural scenes, and also their famous sunset scene, and we enjoyed it, and in the night we took dinner, and our next stop was Shirdi. It is famous for Sai Baba temple. There were very big lines, so we again board, and our next stop in afternoon Sanipur Singradev. It is famous for there were no doors in any houses and any shops. So this day I took dinner in Bhandara because they were very famous there, and our next stop was Trampeswar Mahadev. There is one of the 12 shivlings, and it was famous for yes such as under one down, and uh, and next day there and next day we were going to Mumbai Darshan, and it is very amazing for me because there is I visited and saw many places in one day. I saw many celebrities house like Mukesh Ambani Interiors house, Shahrukh Khan Jannat house, Salman Khan house, and also Shahrukh Khan house, and also Amitabh Bachchan house, and we visited Taj Hotel and also India Gate, and me and my friend got lost, and we went police station, and police uncle called my father, and my father took away us, and we met all, and we pictures and ate their famous ice cream. And we also saw their famous Marine Drive. And next day it was one of the we had been waiting for. Next day early morning we arrived in Imazika and we enjoyed with snow. We ride a roller coaster. There is famous ride there, and we also enjoyed bungee jumping, and we rode bicycle on water and many things. And in the evening we saw lighting show and we returned back home from Imazika, and we took dinner made by my mother and sleep relaxedly. Thank you.
Out.